Hey, hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you real quick how to install Unity on your computer. So you can get started with just searching Unity in Google, and the first result should be on their website. So Unity is completely free for personal use, and you can download the program by starting with downloading a Unity Hub. Okay, so you can just right click and open this link, and this will take you to this page that you can over here download whatever system that you're using currently. And if you get lost in their main website, you can also go to like get started. And then I mentioned that Unity is free, right? So if you see all those crazy price, don't get kind of stunned. These are for professional user to build like gain in for profits, and for individual you can switch to the personal free version. And for student, if you want to get the professional, like the plus version, you can also sign up for a free professional with like more kind of complicated development platform. Before the class, you can just use the personal version, because the student, you still need to like send them your email or like proof of enrollment. And I don't think it's needed until you are more serious for going to using Unity for your projects. Okay, so just use the get started, the personal use, and it will take you to the same place, and you can download the platform here. Okay, so you demoing on a Mac, so I'm just going to click on download for Mac, and then it will be downloading. Okay, so after it's downloaded, since I already downloaded it, I'm not going to download it again. So just follow the prompt to install Unity Hub, and then open the Unity Hub when you've complete downloaded it. Okay, so here, let me remove my stuff so it will more closer to what it looked like on your page. So there's two tabs. So you might open it over here seeing project, or when you open it, you might be seeing like general. So just showing you, you can switch between the preference and project and the general with the general setting. So when you first download Unity, there's two things you have to do. First of all, you have to create a Unity account. So you can see here, I already have an account login. I'll create a Unity account. It's also completely free. If you haven't created an account, you can just follow the prompt to sign up for a new account. You must have an account to be able to download and use Unity. And in the future, I'll show you how to download like different assets from Unity store. And you must to have a Unity account to be able to have access to all those resources. So you must have an account when you start Unity. Okay, so just again, follow the prompt, making sure you have create account and log in into the account. So you're seeing your initial here. Okay, let's move on. So another thing you need to do is making sure you activate a new license. So in your case, your this box might be empty. So simply just click on activate new license, and then choose Unity Personal. This is the free version. And you can see you don't have to pay unless you make more than $100,000 of selling your game. So Unity is pretty generous for providing a free program for all people who are interested in learning and using this program. Okay, so just use this, and as you don't use Unity for professional capacity at this point, and then you will be able to activate your account for free. Okay, so you should be all good, and now you can click on preference. So you go back to the project panel. So in order to install a Unity kind of installs, you click on this little install tab here. And same thing, you might not see anything here. I already download a Unity installation. So for you, if you don't have any installation installed yet, just click on add. Okay, so Unity update very frequently. They have update like at least every year, and sometimes multiple version in different year in the same year. And what I did here, I just choose the recommended release. You don't have to choose the most recent one since it might still be testing or has some bugs. So you can just choose the recommended release and then hit next. Okay, this step is very important. In default, I think these are probably in defaults not checked. So in order to have the requirement fulfill our project, you must check WebGL build so you are able to export your game on the web browser. So your future players of your game can just click on a link and be able to play online without downloading the game. And that's the ideal world to export and share your game. However, I will suggest you to check this Mac build support. Sometimes WebGL didn't work for some people's game, and there's too much work to like troubleshoot sometimes. So Mac build support is another alternative. So you'll be able to submit your project that I'd be able to open it. I only have access to a Mac computer. So you must, even you're using a PC. So no matter you're using a PC or Mac, making sure you check both the Mac build support and WebGL support. So you will have the option to turn in and submit your project. For PC user, you can also check window build support. Also, you will be able to explore your game as a exe file, execution file, so you can share with other window player to download your game and play them directly on your computer instead of playing it through a web browser. Okay, so same with Mac build, it will export it as an app. So all Mac user, they'll be able to download the app and play it on their computer. Okay, so this too is mandatory. This is optional, and you can. This is probably default, so you don't have to check this. It should be already checked, and you should have the documentation checked too. Okay, so when you're done, just hit done, and then you can see it will be starting to load. This is this. Oh, actually, there's like a slightly update. So you can see it start uploading from their browser. So it might take a few minutes, and you are definitely recommended to follow the step when you have a kind of reliable and well-connected Wi-Fi or internet while you're doing this step. Okay, so I think the 2 version is close enough. I don't want to download it again. So after you're done, you can now go to project and create a new project, and you can follow the next step in the next tutorial. By the way, if you forget to, when you install it, you forget to check the Mac build and WebGL, or there's other build you want to add later on, you don't have to download it again. All you need to do is click on this menu and then add module. So you can check the one you want to install even after you have installed the program. Okay, so that's it. And in the future, if you want to like download more like more recent official like release or older release, you can also download multiple different version or release here, and then you can open your program with like different version of it. Okay, so it's something that you would like to do. Okay, so I think that's all for installing Unity.